Hello friends, welcome to Photoshop tips and tricks. Today I will show you how to easy remove hair background in Photoshop. Let's start. At first go to select. Then choose subject. OK, now the hair is selected. Again go to select. And choose select and mask. Now select refine brush tool, and zoom in a little, then refine all the hair to become smooth and soft. If you're satisfied, click OK. OK, the hair is now selected. Then add a mask on the layer. Look it, background removed smoothly. Now create a new layer, and bring down it. Choose the foreground color red. And press Alt backspace to fill color. Look it, background removed smoothly. And this is the final result. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.